Hi everyone, welcome back to the Defibus where we talk about everything DeFi and crypto related. Today I have another auto-compounding, auto-staking protocol called Leonidas Finance, and I'll be going through the protocol as well as giving you my thoughts and comments about it. As usual, this is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence before investing in anything. So with that, let's get the video started.
Okay, let's go.
First off, what is Leonidas Finance? They are high auto-compounding fixed APY crypto with a 300,000% APY on your returns. And what I like about this project is that it's not only a regular auto-staking, auto-compounding where you can hold your tokens and they will grow exponentially according to the APY returns, but there are a few different investment strategies which I'll be going through. So this gives investors different possibilities, which makes it a bit more fun because you can try to determine which is the best strategy for you to grow your money. And I think one thing that is good about this project as well is that it's KYC'd by Assure. Right here you can see the KYC NFT, and if you are unsure what a KYC is, basically the team at Leonidas Finance is now anonymous, but they have provided all their personal information to Assure. So if anything were to happen, like a rug pull, Assure would then release all the information public. So this gives a layer of security to us investors to know that this project is safe. The native token for Leonidas is the Leo token, and they have liquidity staking. They claim to provide income generation pool as well. They have a treasury, and they have this fire pit, which is getting quite common nowadays in these type of protocols, where 2.5% of all the Leo tokens are burnt and they will continue to compound in the fire pit. So they claim that this will cause the circulation supply to reduce and keep the protocol stable and not super inflationary. Some of the tokenomics include a 14% buy and a 16% sell. And here's a bit of the token distribution. And now I'll bring you to the dashboard. As you can see, currently the price for Leo is about $7.5 per Leo token, and the market cap is sitting nicely at around 2.5 million. One of my favorite ways to see the potential for growth for these type of projects is not to look at the APY, because that can be a bit misleading, but to look at the market cap. So if you believe that this is going to be a big project, you can compare it against other auto-staking, auto-compounding type projects like Titano, which is currently around, let's say, 200 million market cap. So if you believe this is on the similar level, the potential for the project is to grow maybe 100x from 2 million to 200 million. And right now I bought in about 13.5 Leo worth, and I'll be doing another 1 week update video to show you guys how much I've earned. And what they're promising for daily ROI is around 2.28%. And as with most of these type of projects, they have a calculator. But as I mentioned in all my other videos, these are just marketing ploys, because if you input your amount and slide it all the way to the 365 mark, they'll promise you millions of return, which I think is slightly unbelievable. So as I always mention, look at the market cap. I think that's a better judge of how big this project can grow. So first up, we have the liquidity node. And I think the good thing about the devs is that they have done up a Medium article about the 4 best investing strategies in Leo. So I'll leave all these links in the description below for you to take a look at it. But basically, I'll just faster go through each of them one by one. So the first one is to just buy and hold. And my strategy would be to double my initial investment and then take out my investment. And once I take out my initial investment, I'll just let my profits roll, and I may participate in some of these other investing strategies. And the next way is to stake and lock your Leo into an Leo AVAX LP. And they say that they will allow you to earn quite a degen daily APR, which you can see here. Currently the daily APR which they are providing is 26%, which is crazy. I'm not sure how long this will be able to last. And the longer you lock, the higher your APR will be. And if you lock it for 3 months, you'll be able to double your daily APR. So this liquidity node sort of acts like a node. Once you stake and once you provide your liquidity, you will not be able to remove it. So your LP will sort of become like a node in that sense. So for this type of node-ish protocols, best is to just faster get out your initial money once you have staked in your LP, so that you can merely play around with the profits. And for the next way to invest in this, you can create an X Leo from Leo in order to earn buybacks. So this X Leo is sort of a wrapped version of Leo. So if you guys are familiar with like Time Wonderland where they have memo and wrapped memo, this will be similar, such that if you take a look, one X Leo will always be more than one Leo, and this value will only get higher and higher. And once you wrap your Leo, you'll be able to continue earning the fixed APY, plus they claim that you'll be able to get the buybacks on Leo. Last but not least, you'll be able to stake your X Leo token in order to gain AVAX, so you'll not be getting Leo, which some people might prefer, because with these type of projects, what happens is usually the price of the native token will crash very rapidly. So earning something like AVAX and not in the native token would provide a hedge against that. So here is where you can stake your Leo. So all you have to do is approve the contract, wrap your Leo, and you'll be able to stake your X Leo here in order to claim your wrapped AVAX. And do note that there will be a 2% deposit fee to burn. And how do you buy this token? This Leo is on the Avalanche chain, so all you have to do is go to Trader Joe, and you will be able to buy the amount that you require. And do note that there's some tax which I mentioned at the beginning, so you'll not be getting an exact 1-to-1 ratio of how much you put in. And I also do advise you all to join in the Discord, because the dev is really very active. I think the main developer is Professor, so he gives lots of updates on the announcement, and since the launch of the project there's been some small UI bugs, and you can see that he has been very actively trying to solve all this. So it does give some encouragement that the developer for this project is really very active. Yeah, and I think that's all for this video today. Once again, please do your own financial research and put in the amount of money you're willing to lose, because these are really high risk and high reward type projects. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm in my mum's
Bus.
broom. Get out, Mick!
Bus.
Aww.